How do you see this as?
So far this year, over 110,000 people have arrived in southern Europe. Of those, 92,000 landed in Italy, mostly from Libya, with the increasing number of people crossing the Mediterranean. The number of people dying in the process has also increased.
We can talk theoretically about the right to seek asylum in Libya, but let's think about the protection needs of the people. It's not good for the people to go to Libya. It is super dangerous today. We don't have access to that many people in Libya. So anything that we can do for the protection of the people, be they migrant or asylum seeker, everything we can do to provide them with alternative before they reach Libya is, in our view, a good thing.
Notwithstanding the fact that UNHCR...
We are hearing the same tales of horror from people who are experiencing serious human rights violation, both on their way to Libya as well as in Libya. We often talk about camps in Libya. I've seen various meetings, including yesterday at the Foreign Affairs Council of the European Union. There are no camps in Libya. There are detention centers. The rest of the people in Libya are often kept in what is called connection houses or warehouses, where they are kept by the traffickers and are subject often to all sorts of abuse. Either forced labor for many who cannot afford anymore the cost of the rest of the journey, so they are supposed to perform heavy work until such a time that the traffickers decide to put them on a boat. And for the vast majority of the women in those warehouses, they are forced into prostitution. What we are proposing through this appeal that we submitted to donor countries yesterday is a surge of activities that provide adequate reception, decent reception condition, as well as other services, so people have a real alternative to stay in those countries of transit and have their case, their application examined in those countries. Yes, we know about the danger in Libya. So we need to make sure that we have some vocational training, we have access to secondary education, and we have decent reception condition on all the routes leading to Libya. That's the only way for us to be able to provide those alternatives that the people should avail themselves rather than to make that dangerous trip to Libya.
How do you see that? Does that help?
Can we get that country, which was sending the boats to Libya, to disclose who were the destinaries of those boats? Can we identify the traffickers? What are we going to do about them? Are we going to prosecute them? Those people have killed. Rubber dinghies have killed more than weapons in Libya over the last 10 years. I mean, not 10 years, since 2012 when the boat departure started from Libya. So are we going to go after the traffickers? That's the big question. Second question, how the European Union is going to monitor that.